Guys, now I want to teach you how to make toast bread. Number one, for you to have a toast bread, you need a toaster. So this one here is called a toaster. Believe you've seen it well. And then you need mayonnaise. This company is called Mayo. So no, Zesta. It's called what? Yeah, Leon's or something. Then we have Zesta. So any mayonnaise can do. Then you can also use Blue Band instead. Suppose you don't have a mayonnaise. And then we need you need, let me just get something in the fridge here. You need chicken bran. This one is called chicken bran. So chicken bran is usually being placed inside. Then you dice your onions. I already diced the onions and tomatoes here. Then because the chicken bun is a bit bigger and the size of the bread I'm using is a bit smaller, the base, I usually cut it so that it will be able to fit. So number one, once you put your mayonnaise like that, so you spread it over. Once you spread like that, we're going to take the onions. Once your hands, ensure your hands are clean while doing this. So you do your onions, you spread them evenly like that. Then tomatoes like that. And then you add what do you call it, the chicken bran. Then on top, I'm using mustard, but you can choose not to use it. Then you close it like that. That is done. As simple as that. You put it inside your toaster. You come for round 2. You do the same. Then, sorry, I almost forgot step 1. So you do the onions the same. Just spread them evenly like that. Then, you see? Hope you're enjoying that. Then boom, like that. Then you put it on, you put the power on, then you close it. You give it time. So when you come here, you see the red part. The red part means the power is on. Then the green one, it's lighting now, but once it goes off, it means that the bread is will be ready to be served. Just like that, my blessed listeners and viewers. So try that at home. It's a simple way of making pizza if you don't have money to buy pizza. So thank you so much. The remaining part, you return it inside the fridge. Now you see the minutes are over and our bread is ready to be served. So usually just take a fork. Once you put it off, then you take a fork, you remove it. You can decide to cut it direct from here. Just cut it like that. Or you cut it on top of the chopping board or chalkboard. It's ready.